Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this beautiful makeup look using these Rageism products. The first product I'm going to be using is this beautiful illuminating primer, and it sets the base for your foundation, and it's so lightweight and feels like velvet on the skin. The next product I'm going to be using is their all day foundation, and I just put it on the back of my hand and use a buffing brush, and it's the colour 02. I love this foundation because it's buildable and it feels beautiful on the skin, and it's very hydrating. I'm coming in with their concealer, and have a look at that. It's got the cutest little light. I just put it here on the corners and then in the centre, just there. The product I'm coming in with, and I love this, is their setting powder, and it just sets everything in place, your base. So it's not going to move, and it just gives this beautiful luminous glow to your skin. Also, I've just put on their eye primer, which stops the eyeshadow transferring once we put it on. I'm coming in with this beautiful colour called Taupe, and it's their cream eyeshadow, and I just tap that on my lid like that. If you want to add a little bit more drama to your eyes, I'm going to use this chubby pencil in brown and just run that along my lid a little bit, just to give me a little bit more definition. Some mascara which doesn't clump or smudge. It's Divine Blush, look at the colour. Some lip liner, some lipstick, this most divine lip gloss, look at that. Finish it all off with their setting spray. There we go, a full face of makeup using Rageism products. I absolutely love it. My skin looks dewy, it's healthy, it's glowing, and I love these products because they're designed for mature age skin.